Hey everybody, what's going on? This video is an update on what I'm doing with the domain that I purchased with nothing but a dream last year to build a Shopify website and start selling products. Now, here we go. This is a website that tracks uniregistry.com domain sales. This is from January 2020. So this is when I bought the domain. You can see here that my domain that I bought is right here, number 17, smokingjackets.com. I paid $3,250 for the domain because there's some SEO reasons, smokingjackets.com, and there's also, I just wanted this domain because it made the most sense. It's easy to remember, and it's an exact match, like I said, of the terms that I'm trying to rank for. Smoking jackets, okay? It's lounge robes, smoking jackets. So what I did was I bought the domain. Then I didn't actually spin up a website on the domain for many months. I finally got the website domain all connected and live in Shopify. Here's the website. I've got the best-selling jackets, just the homepage layout. You can buy products. And I've got some blog posts. Yes, I'm accepting crypto now on the site, so pay with Bitcoin, Ethereum, or any other cryptocurrencies. Thank you very much. And then I've started building my email list here. And I've also done some SEO, created all the different policy, terms and conditions, pages, and everything else I needed. But it's doing very well. Let me go to the split screen here. I'm going to talk through some of the numbers. So as you can see, I paid $3,250 just for the domain name. Now sales, here I'm going to show you, this is the Shopify app. You can see, look at this. I've done $6,218 in sales. And what's important about that is, this is, you can see here, look at this. There was a big spike, and I figured it would be some seasonality, but $6,218 in sales, it's not bad. I think I've only had 1 or 2 returns on all these sales. So I'm really happy with that, but I'm not happy with this. The online store conversion rate, 0.19%. I tried a lot of different things. I was running ads on Pinterest, Snapchat, and Facebook. The majority of that was on Facebook ads. I've also got some data on the top products down below, but they give you a lot of information here inside of the Shopify app. But what I really wanted to show was, look, I bought the domain. This is possible for anybody. Look, smokingjackets.com, number 17 right there. And then the other thing I wanted to show was this. So let's look at this real quick. This is Facebook ads. Okay, so Facebook ads, you can see I spent $721 in Facebook ads. I reached 200,000 people. Okay, this is why I'm a big believer in Facebook ads. That's just the people reach. I had 437,000 impressions. And here's the cool thing about this is, if I go back here to Shopify, it'll actually tell me, look, sales by social source, Facebook, $1,759. Now, if I go back to Facebook, you can see, look, I spent $721. So the ROI there is more than a 2x. And in this niche, specifically, I have good profit margins. So that's very important. And you want to try to get at least a 2x. 3x is preferred, and once you start to reach that level, then you can dial it in even more. There's people getting 10 to 20x's and more on Facebook, just dialing in that targeting. And the more data you have, the easier it gets. So that's how it's going. Where I'm at today and how I feel about it. Look, I've done $6,200 in sales. I want to keep this going. I want to grow this even more. Want to double, possibly even triple the sales this year, because I think it's going to be easy. It won't be that hard to keep scaling this business. Had a couple problems with Facebook ads because they think I'm selling tobacco products, so had to work through that. But all in all, this is a good business for me. And if you're thinking about starting a Shopify store, I'll put some links down in the description. You can get started fairly easily and then start building your list with a Shopify website. But this is really just for me how it's going. done over $6,000 in sales. Again, I had to buy the domain. And now, as I start to ramp even more, you can see it was big over the holiday season, November, December. Now as I start to ramp, it's going to be profitable because I've paid off the domain name purchase. That's already paid for itself now with these sales. The Facebook ads, I'm going to continue to optimize those and dial them in and do more video ads and more lifestyle product photo ads. So that's really going to be the key to my success here, to really scaling this thing. And I'll do another update later, but this is $0 to $6,000 in sales. Just wanted to share that update with you guys. Buy a smoking jacket, smokingjackets.com. I'd really appreciate it. Use code Preston for 10% off your first order. Thank you so much for watching. If there's anything else you wanted to know about Shopify, please leave a comment down below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.